Hello everyone, this is my week 6 reflection for my clinical practice at Wenzhou No. 2 Foreign Language School. This week, my focus was on school reform case writing. I reviewed a notice from the Wenzhou Education Bureau office about the basic education innovation case collection. Based on this policy document, I helped revise one of the school's practice cases. The notice emphasized that an innovation case should have one clear highlight. It should also show systematic design, long-term mechanisms, distinctive practices, and concrete measures, visible outcomes, and value for replication. This helped me understand that case writing is not just a public task. It is a way to present the school's reform logic and leadership thinking. At first, I reviewed the school's original case. The original case was based on a civic quality model, including life consciousness, rule consciousness, responsibility consciousness, and community consciousness. This model reflected the school's educational philosophy, but the case was too broad and abstract. It helped more like a theoretical framework than a practical reform case. After communicating with Ms. Fang Fang, Deputy Director of the Party and Administrative Office, we decided to revise the structure. Instead of starting from a broad theory, the revised case started from the concept of big health. This was a clearer entry point because it connected directly with students' physical health, mental health, social adaptation, and moral development. The revised case was organized into several parts: background and problems, core model design, implementation pathways, outcomes, and future development. The main idea was to build a no-boundary moral education model. The school uses big health as the core goal, breaks traditional learning boundaries, integrates different resources, and creates new educational scenarios. One important part of the revision was adding more concrete practices. For example, the Boya Cultural Festival became a key example of concentrated educational experience. It connected culture, international understanding, psychological support, safety education, charity activities, art, sports, and student participation. The case also included daily practices, such as sports activities, psychological culture activities, social practice, morning assemblies, volunteer service, and family school collaboration. My biggest reflection this week is that a good reform case needs both vision and evidence. A strong concept is helpful, but it is not enough. The case must clearly explain what problem the school is solving, what the school has done, and what outcomes have been achieved. From an educational leadership perspective, this week helped me see writing as a leadership practice. Through writing, school leaders clarify the school's values, organize scattered practices into a system, and communicate the school's improvement direction to others. Overall, Week 6 helped me understand how policy requirements, school practices, and leadership communication can work together to present a stronger and more practical school innovation case.